Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of NZDUSD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got two lines drawn on the chart here. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay. So if I just zoom out the chart here, then you can see that this trend line is quite an old one because market made a high here and on 25th Feb 2021, and market is still respecting this trend line as a valid resistance, and you can see that market formed that high on 25th Feb, and right now we are in the month of September and still this trend line is acting as a resistance for the market. Whenever market is going up, it is facing selling pressure from above. Therefore, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, I'll request you, my dear friend, to draw this trend line. Just zoom out the chart and draw this trend line. You'll see that this trend line is a valid dynamic resistance for the market. And apart from this trend line, we can also draw a line as a support here. And if you are kind of confused about the line below, just switch to the 1 hour time frame, and after switching to the 1 hour time frame, just join these price levels. Then you'll see that yes, this level is also a valid support for the market. Therefore, we have a resistance in the form of a trend line and we have a support in the form of a trend line. And if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then the overall trend of the market may seem towards the downside. But if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that the market is in uptrend, and right now market is kind of in consolidation. So overall trend is towards the downside, but present trend is kind of upward with a little bit of sideways touch right now. Okay. And we also have support and resistance level in the form of trend lines. Clear? And if we just want to check out the higher time frame, so that we can go to the weekly time frame here, and the weekly time frame we can see that the important or prominent support and resistance level are quite far away. So we have nothing from the weekly time frame. So we are just left with these two lines here. So what should be a strategy? Just as we all know, the basic rule of the market says buy at support, sell at resistance, and right now you can clearly see that market is just standing at support. But one thing that we need to focus here is that market is standing at support, but market is not going up. Try to understand the market psychology here. See, market has come down to the support level on 13th Feb 2021. Okay. Market is standing at the support, but still market is not going up. What does it mean? It clearly signifies that market or the buyers does not have the strength right now to take the price upward. And if we look at the chart of DXY US dollar, then there is a correlation with the chart of US dollar, because whenever dollar goes up, New Zealand dollar, US dollar goes down, and when dollar goes down, NZD USD goes up. See, since last 2-3 days there is a quite a volatility in the chart of DXY as well. DXY is not flat, DXY is having some ups and downs, good moves, but the NZD USD is not giving us any prominent move here. So until and unless there is a huge sell or huge buy in the chart of US dollar, probably we won't see anything huge on the NZD USD chart as well. See, right now it has formed a red candle, therefore we are seeing a green candle. So this is the correlation, but still this movement on the chart of NZD USD is not that convincing. So though market is standing at the support here, but I'll tell you not to go for a buy right now until and unless you see some heavy selling on the USD chart, on the chart of dollar here. See, right now dollar is standing at support, but yes, there is a possibility of going down. Okay, and most importantly, there is also about there is an event if you look at the Forex economic calendar here, okay, this is the Forex economic calendar. You'll find the economic calendar on the website, on my website, easily under the Forex 101 section. And if you just go to the internet and type Forex economic calendar, this is something that you will find easily. So in the Forex economic calendar, let me go to the high impact ones only. Okay, let me uncheck this. See, we have got two important events today: inflation rate and core inflation rate. Okay, so these are about to come out after 3 hours 38 minutes. Okay. If you want to know more in detail about this event, just click here. You will get all the necessary information. And see, the previous data is also mentioned here, and the forecast is also mentioned here. So accordingly, the market will move. So if due to this event, if there is some volatility in the US dollar chart, then definitely it will also reflect on the chart of NZDUSD. But right now, until and unless you don't do anything on the NZDUSD, because though it is standing at support, it does not have the strength to go up. Okay. And on the other hand, if you want to short the market, okay, at the resistance, then you can, if market goes up from here, you can short the market at resistance, but just make sure that there is a good price rejection from above. If you see a shooting star pattern at the resistance, if you see price struggling near the resistance, or if you see a bearish engulfing pattern at the resistance, then you can short the market. Otherwise, without proper confirmation, do not trade. Whether it is support or resistance doesn't matter. Just keep in mind that support and resistance level are not permanent, they are temporary. So confirmation is always important. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY and trade accordingly. And my dear friends, recently I